45 here, and today I'll be showing you something that is extremely important in iPhone SDK development. What we're going to be doing is discussing a random generator. It's called arc for random, and what it does is it takes a random number between what you give it. So I'll explain. Go into Xcode, start a new project, view-based, and we'll name it random. Now, in your .h, we're just going to make an integer. Or an int, whatever. So, int random number. Now we're going to make an IB action called choose number. Okay? Now, go into your .m file and IB action, choose number. Okay, and here's what you need to learn. What we're going to do is make it pick a random number from 1 to 10, and then we're going to have it displayed. So why this is really important is because it picks a number, and you can tell it to pick whatever. You can have it pick from like 1 to 100, 1 to 1,000, 50 to 20 to 50, whatever you want. And why this is important is for doing random stuff, like let's say you have like you're a game where you're moving and you're dodging stuff falling from the screen. You have to do an arc for random to determine where it's going to fall in your X value. So now we called our int random number. So go random number equals, here's what it's called, arc, ARC, for random, two parentheses. It should fill that in for you. And now percentage sign, which is shift 5. And since we're doing 10, now the thing about this is it doesn't go from 1 to 10, it actually goes from 0 to 9. So we're going to do +1 to make it 1 through 10. Why this works is because it picks a number from 0 to 9, then adds 1. So it becomes 1 to 10. So if it picks 0, it will actually be 1, and if it picks 9, it will actually be 10. So now it's 1 through 10. And now we're going to make it, and now we're going to go in NSLog. So NSLog, if you don't know what NSLog is, it's basically like a command prompt. Yeah, it's kind of like terminal, I guess, and it just tells you different stuff. So we're going to have NSLog, @ quotation marks, %i, and quotation marks, comma, and random number. Now what this does is it takes %i, we substitute for random number, so it's going to show us what random number value is. So end that, and now go into your resources, into your view, okay, now add a button. Call it random. Attach it to choose number. Save, quit, and build and run. We shouldn't get any errors. Okay, good. Now open NSLog, and NSLog is right here. This it says GDB on it. Click it. It'll open this little log thing. And now when you press random, you'll see it's 4. And if we keep pressing, it will go different numbers from 1 to 10. And that is how you do a random number. I can't even begin to say how important arc for random is. I use it a lot, and it's just really important to know. So subscribe, rate, and comment, and I have another tutorial waiting for you soon.